Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Materia Medica series. So in this session, I'm going to speak about a very interesting drug, that is lycopodium. It is a very broad drug and it has a big drug picture. So I will just share with you few key points in this session of less than 5 minutes video. So when we speak about lycopodium, so it has two personalities which are very much different. One is that they are very soft and other is that they become very dominating. So when we have to compare lycopodium, it is compared to a tree. So when we look at a tree कि जब एक झाड़ छोटा सा होता है तो वो ऐसे छोटा छोटा होता है और फिर जब वो अपने when it gets that मतलब जब उसके branches आते हैं वो फैलने लगता है तो that way how it is compared कि जब when the lycopodium does not have power, it is very much timid. और जैसे उसके हाथ में पावर आ जाता है so it becomes dominating, bossy and starts to rule everybody around. So there is also a rubric which is hard on inferiors and soft on superiors. मतलब जिनको lycopodium जानेगा, maybe the house people and everybody, he is going to be very harsh, very rude, and those superior to him, or maybe the people he does not know, the neighbors or the workplace, his bosses, तो उनके साथ he is going to be very soft. And other than that, there is an artistic aptitude. So if you have seen Dr. Swapnil's video of carcinosin, she has mentioned that carcinosin and lyco are two remedies which have their ailment from domination. But उन दोनों का domination पे reaction अलग रहता है. जब हम कार्सिनोसिन की बात करते हैं तो उसको पता ही नहीं चलता है कि उसके ऊपर डोमिनेशन है. वो चीज़ को अच्छे से एक्सेप्ट करता है कि यहाँ पेरेंट्स आर डोमिनेटिंग बिकॉज दे वांट टू टीच अस मैनर्स. बट जब लाइकोपोडियम की बात करते हैं तो दैट डोमिनेशन लाइकोपोडियम को एक हद के बाद वो डोमिनेशन बर्दाश्त नहीं होता है. सो व्हेन सपोज इफ अ सन तो ही हैज़ अ कांस्टेंट डोमिनेशन ऑफ द फादर, तो वो डोमिनेशन में लंबे टाइम तक रहेगा. बट वंस ही स्टार्ट्स अर्निंग he will begin to back answer his father. So that is how lycopodium is. And in the along with that bossy and dominating aspect, he also has this emotional side कि जहाँ पे आप उसको अगर थैंक यू भी बोलेंगे तो उसको एकदम रोना जैसे आ जाता है, एकदम इमोशनल हो जाता है. तो इमोशनैलिटी इज ऑल्सो वेरी हाई. एंड of course, the confirmatory points, the lycopodium is hot, thirstless and has right-sided affinity and desires warm food. So to know in detail, join our module session, or you can also opt for our e-university website which is live now. And that's it. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.